Although Nigiri style of sushi is more conventional and most high-end sushi bars are serving nigiri, the popularity of rolled sushi in general is significant worldwide. Those who enjoy cooking at home also challenge sushi rolls to highlight the dinner table, maybe because of the flexibility in filling they want to roll and a colorful appearance. This tutorial is about how to functionally plate sushi rolls with visual quality. But this is not meant to bind you with the rule, so take it as just a little tip to lead your presentation skills to the next level. As you might already know, pieces of sushi are basically lined up at an angle. There are some reasons, but commonly said this way is easier to pick up when eating sushi. Likewise, when you plate rolled sushi standing up, you want to slide diagonally if the space allows. Even when you plate them lying down, instead of totally flatten them, leave some room to grab each piece of sushi by leaning against each other. When you cut a whole roll of sushi, rice and ingredients come off from each end and doesn't look good. Flip the sides to hide those ugly looking ones, or chop off a little bit of the edge to straighten. Some sushi rolls, on the other hand, have huge fillings that can't be completely wrapped up and come out of the seaweed wrap. You can rather use those excess portions as a part of the presentation instead. Don't forget the closed end of the seaweed to be put downward, so the nice looking sides always come to the top. When you're plating multiple rolls on a big plate, try to arrange the pieces of sushi evenly from any directions. If you put sushi rolls whatever come first randomly, people need to cross the dish to reach the item on the other side. Organizing the plate also ensures the visual quality. Lastly, this is more for the practical technique in the actual service situation that customers, especially in Western culture, who order rolled sushi as a part of a meal, or those who come with their friends and families, want their food be ready all at once. Then you are expected to prepare pretty much everything in a certain time range. And of course, it requires speed as well as quality. This is a unique difference between nigiri sushi or omakase at a sushi bar, that each items are served in order and chefs have more time to prepare the next item while customers are enjoying the previous one. This gonna depend on what the food is and the party size and so on, and it's case by case to decide which one to prioritize.